Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, Mulayam Software Company, before selling a package to its clients, follow the given schedule. The number of people employed in each month is, and another table shows number of people employed per stage and the cost of those people is. Due to overrun in design, the design stage took 3 months, that is 3, 4 and 5. The number of people working on design in the 5th month was 5. Calculate the percentage change in the cost incurred in the 5th month. Due to improvement in coding technique, this stage was completed in 6 to 8 months only. Solution. From table we see that in 3 to 4 months the cost per man per month is 20,000, whereas in 5 to 8 months the cost per man per month is 10,000. Therefore, in the 3rd month we have 4 people, in 4th month we have 3 people, and in the 5th month we have 4 people. So, cost incurred in old system is for people in 5th month is 4 people into cost is rupees 10,000. This is rupees 40,000. Whereas condition given in the question which says the number of people working on design in the 5th month was 5. Cost incurred in new system is this 5th month contains 5 people, that too in the coding system it is changed to design system. Therefore, in design system their cost is 20,000. So, 5 into rupees 20,000 is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Therefore, percentage change is equal to 1 lakh minus rupees 40,000 upon rupees 40,000. This implies 150%. Therefore, answer is option 2. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chirag. The question is, with reference to the above question, what is the cost incurred in the new coding stage? Under the new technique, 4 people work in the 6th month and 5 in the 8th. Solution. From the above question, we know that the coding stage will complete in months 6 to 8 only, and from the question we know that 4 people work in the 6th month and 5 in the 8th, and from the table we know that 5 people will work in the 7th month. Therefore, cost incurred in the new coding stage is equal to four plus 5 into 10,000, which is equal to 1,40,000. Hence, the answer of this question is option number 1. Thank you.
Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, what is the difference in cost between the old and the new technique? Use the data of above question. Solution. The difference in cost between old and the new technique is, in old technique we have for coding stage 5 to 8 months. Therefore, number of people employed in 5 to 8 months is 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 whole into rupees 10,000, which is the cost of per man per month coding stage. This is equal to rupees 1,80,000. In new stage, we have months 6 to 8 only. Therefore, total number of people is 5 plus 5 plus 4, and the cost is same, rupees 10,000. This is equal to rupees 1,40,000. Therefore, the required difference is rupees 40,000. That is 1,80,000 minus rupees 1,40,000. Therefore, answer is option 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, under the old technique, which stage of software development is most expensive for Mulayam Software Company? Solution. Cost incurred in specification is number of months 1 to 2 and number of people involved is 2 plus 3, that is 5 people into cost per man per month is 40,000. This is equal to rupees 2 lakh. Again, for second option we have cost rupees 2 lakh. For first option, that is for testing, cost incurred is number of months involved 9 to 10 and number of people involved is 4 plus 1, that is 5 people, and the cost per man per month for testing is 15, that is 5 into 15,000. This is equal to rupees 75,000. Cost incurred for coding we have 6 to 8 months and number of people working is 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 into rupees 10,000, that is cost per man per month. This is equal to rupees 1,80,000. For design we have cost 3 to 4 months, that is 4 plus 3, 7 people involved into rupees 20,000. Total cost is rupees 1,40,000. Therefore, the maximum cost incurred is for specification rupees 2 lakh. Therefore, our answer is option 2. Thank you.